And by using this method, you can use any map without any internet connection. And hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and this is Alfas and you're watching Techz. And today in this video, I am going to show you that how to use a map without any internet connection. And in our Google Maps, you can see we need to connect the internet for a live location or live tracking into the direction. So in this video, I am going to show you one of the best maps for you without internet connection. And all the features in our Google Maps also available in this map. And without wasting our time, now let's see the video.
And what's up guys, and at first you need to download a application, and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that, this application will ask the permission for using this application, and you want to just select allow only while using this application. And after that, you can see interface like this, and after that you can see your location will be auto detected by this map. And after that, here you can see my location is Kerala, and after that here we need to download the place Kerala from here. And after that, just select OK and just wait for the downloading process of this map. And now we have been successfully downloaded our map, and after that here you can see all the features in our Google Maps are showing here. And after that, here we need to select these three dots from here, and after that you can see terrain, subway and etc. And after that, just go back and select one of the destination which you want to track the live location or live route. And here I am selecting one of the place Uppala. And after that, here you can see more of the options like route from and save and route to. And here you can select route to option from here. And after that, they will ask the permission, and you want to just select this accept from here. And after that, you can see the nearest ways or the route will be available in this map. And after that, you can see the blue path is the direct or actual way to the destination. And if you are using a four-wheeler, you can use this map, or if you are going by walking, you can select this walking option from here. And if you are using a bicycle, you can select this bicycle option from here. And by using this method, you can use the free route map, and here you can see by using this method you can also save more internet connection. And now let's turn off the internet from here. And here I have been turned off my internet connection, and after that we can also use this live location from here by using this method. And this map is currently or fully offline mode, and after that you can see we need just internet connection for downloading the map or the place. And after that we can select one of the another destination, and after that you can see add stop from here. And after that you can see we have been created a route to Kullur to Uppala, and you can see this is the pathway to the destination by using car. And by using this map you can select one of the best place, or you can select the destination which you want to go without any internet. And in our Google map we need the internet connection for the live route location. And without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.